Today's walkthrough video is at 9321 Monticello Drive here in Pecan Plantation. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a beautiful brick home. Okay, this house was built in 1996. It is a little over 1,700 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. You walk in the door, immediately to the left is the formal dining room. Here is the living room with this beautiful brick fireplace, wood-burning fireplace. And then we've got this gorgeous view out the back with the wall of windows. Here is a casual breakfast nook. Here is our kitchen. We're gonna go ahead and pass through this kitchen right here. And we're gonna go to the master bedroom. It's a really good sized master. It's got a door that takes you directly outside. It's got 2 beautiful windows, carpet's in great shape. Here's the master bath, his and her sinks, soaking tub, shower, really good sized closet, potty. And then out the door to the garage is a good sized garage. Here is the laundry room. We've got a good sized garage with an epoxy floor. On the other side of the house, we've got 2 bedrooms with a full bath. They have good sized closets. And I want you to see what's outside. Okay, we've got this really beautiful patio and this nice wrought iron fence. This home backs up to the orchard. Oh, I wish you could see this beautiful deer. I don't know if you can make that out, but there's a deer over there that never gets old. This house is not on a septic system. It is on AMUD sewer. And one of the coolest features of this house that I love is this outbuilding. This is super cool and very, very desirable in Pecan Plantation. This outbuilding is insulated. It's got an air conditioning unit so it can be cool. It's got a fireplace in here so it can be warm. And it's fully insulated for the drummer in you. You know, when your wife said, honey, you can play the drums, but you can't play them in the house. This is the room so nobody would hear it. So if you'd like more information about this house, please reach out to me. I would love to show it to you. Thanks for watching.